or nearing the expected arrival of the Oppo Reno 11 series, which could happen this month. Their leaked renders show a design that closely resembles its predecessor. Now, thanks to the prolific tipster digital chat station (DCS), we have a good idea of the specifications for both the Reno 11 and 11 Pro. The information points to the Oppo Reno 11 series using both the Qualcomm Snapdragon and MediaTek Dimensity chips, similar to the Oppo Reno 10 family. Oppo Reno 11 specs rumored. Specifically, the Reno 11 is expected to rock a Dimensity 8200 chipset and 4800 mAh battery with 67W charging on a 7.59mm 7.66mm 184-gram body. It will have a curved screen with a punch-hole cutout for a 32-megapixel selfie camera, while the back is home to a triple camera setup. This includes Sony's LYT600 sensor for the main unit, IMX355 sensor for ultrawide, and IMX709 sensor for telephoto, which will have 2x optical zoom capability. Oppo Reno 11 Pro specs rumored. Moving on, the Reno 11 Pro will have a 1.5 Kelvins display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2160Hz PWM dimming. It will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. For photography, the Reno 11 Pro will sport a 32 megapixels camera on the front, and around the back will be a 50 megapixels IMX890 primary camera with OIS, joined by an 8 megapixels IMX355 ultra-wide and a 32 megapixels IMX709 2x telephoto lens. It's expected to have a slightly smaller battery than the standard model, at 4700 mAh, but is offset by a charging speed of 80 W. The device will measure approximately 8.19–8.26 mm thin and weigh around 190 grams. And, for audio and haptics, it is expected to feature a dual-speaker setup and an X-axis motor, respectively. According to DCS, there will be no Reno 11 Pro Plus this time around. Plans may have changed, but we haven't heard anything official from Oppo yet.